Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man with the talk must be, and Victor, they for Edo Production Center. They interview this our brother. We get business for the place. They serve frozen meat, chicken, and fish. Make I leave you now with Apostle Alfred Uyinosa and Victor. Enjoy the video.
All right, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hope so na dey okay. This morning we drive into Edo Production Center. Edo Production Center na center when Governor Obaseki, when he converts for businesses to strive in Edo State. The aim of this project now to ensure say some of us when they shout say we no get power, that's electricity. Some of them they say we no get where we fit do our business successfully. This now why the Edo State government, ably led by Governor Obaseki, now he make bring about the Edo Production Center. This Edo Production Center now unit where we say if you get small business and you get issue with space to start up your business, and at the same time you get issues with capital, a bank of industry dey inside here, you get issues with capital, and more importantly, most of us dey always complain say no light for the Edo Production Center. Edo Production Center gets stable power supply where we say anything when you want produce inside this place, you go produce them conveniently for inside the Edo Production Center. Inside this production center, we get different units. We get those when they do nylon. We get those when they do nylon. We get those when they do aluminium, as you see from front. We get those when we say they dey into doors. We get those when we say they dey into stainless gate and what have you. Several innovations now inside here. We even get units when we say for the units their own major goal now to ensure say they recycle plastic. That's waste. All this bottled water when they waste, they recycle them. As we drive enter, we can see one of our own, a person when we know when they do business inside here as well. Now we ask after, sir, you get business point here. He say, I get business point here. I try to ensure, say, I leverage on this innovation when Governor Obaseki bring about to ensure, say, we get a viable place where we fit do our business properly. Now we say, make we get information about wetin that they do. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Yes, sir. Well done, sir. How's business going, sir? Well done, sir. Sir, this place is now Korum, sir. Okay, fine. First and foremost, you're live on air. Live on air, you're live on Talker Must Be, and we have viewers all around the world. When they watch you, and this program, we know they speak correct English for this program because of we carry everybody along. So we'd like to meet with you, sir. What will be your name and where be this, sir? What will you do for here, sir?
Okay, this place now HP Helton Farm.
Okay.
One of their subsidiaries.
Okay.
That they are close
Wow.
where they bring the end finished
Thank you
product.
for me and do this. Thank you, sir. Alright, can you
So this is not the cold room where they bring the finished products from. The farm did down the
so
Kenwa
like
Road.
get farm.
Yes.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Yes. We get farm where they raise the chickens.
Okay.
Do you understand? We use world best practice. All the chickens there organic. We know they feed them any additives and everything. We even they produce some of our own feed when they give the chicken, to cut costs down. So that this chicken, when they don't grow, they don't be strong. So that if we control all the processes. We also get some other small aggregation of farmers, chicken farmers.
Wow.
When they see they give at times they give soft loans to where they fit raise their own beds.
Wow.
Then they use here as the end product, because for this kind of business, whether Korum full, Korum not full, now the same power you go use take blast or take freeze the chicken. So you better say make the Korum full than make it not full, because you must all Korum down.
Get what you talk when really take my interest. When you say una get una own farm,
Yes.
that means una dey in charge of the full value chain
Yes.
of this production
Yes.
process. Wow,
Yes.
that's interesting. And also, you can't even say una. They also assist other farmers
Yes.
to grow.
Yes.
What's the name of una farm, sir?
On our farm, Helton Farms.
Helton Farm.
Yes.
Wow. And so now only livestock are they into?
Yes, we dey into livestock, we dey into almost all agricultural produce, fruits and vegetables. We dey grow rice too, we
Wow.
local rice.
Wow,
We
that's
get big farm for Auchi side, Edo North. We get big farm there, we dey grow rice, we dey process rice. We get our rice
Why
mill.
never hear about una before now?
Eh?
I mean, I never on my television.
Now you know, we know say as government don be now, so we all know say after coronavirus, money dey hard to see.
Yes, sir.
So like you talk, you waka come here, come by yourself. We not pay you money to
At
come.
all.
To do advertisements, na plenty money.
course.
If you notice am now, so you go see our something for there,
Yes, sir.
our signboard for there. You go also see am for gates. You understand? We still get flyers where we dey share round. You understand? But make don't be say we wan boast. Most of the big eateries and restaurants for inside the state, na we dey carry supply them.
Wow.
We dey carry our produce go as far as Enugu sef, go still supply market people for there because of say we dey try control the whole process of raising our birds. We dey fit get for good price to take give our consumers.
All right, sir. I want to ask another question because I know say one of the major goals while our own governor creates this unit to ensure say it help businesses to strive.
Yes.
Wetin be 1, 2, 3 benefits when you think say your company don benefit for this center when Obasanjo create so?
Okay. Like you talk, here na to encourage small and medium scale businesses to take strive for business. Now, the most important thing when they key business for this our country, as we all know, na power. Wetin we dey call NEPA. You know, power not dey. You know, and this our business when we enter, so now very na power now only power if it survive for this business to sustain them because now perishables.
Yes.
You know, so as you fit see now, so we don't first governor here na 24-hour power supply 9 day here. Even if we see they pay for the power, but the most important thing we say we dey get am a constant, and then anytime we not get it, they let us know. Maybe they want to maintain the equipment when they're on ground. But power very key. Although so we still try to plead with government, may they still do more for us in terms of even the tariff. If they want to subsidize them for us small, we will appreciate them. Because at the same megawatt when they buy, the cost per kilowatt when they buy for here, na Guinness, na everybody see they use. So and we here na small business. So if they figure we will fit come in, say okay, even if na 10 naira they come out for us, when we pay the rest, we go really appreciate them.
Wow, that's interesting. I beg, let me give my guy 3 go sir. Go sir. Go sir. Go sir.
Again, one question I want to ask my brother. We hear say so many Korun, they use chemical, they preserve their chicken. So how this place play?
Now we make us the thought say we here we dey try control all the value chain to ensure na wetin we dey call quality control. Even the farmers when we dey give small loan to grow their own beds, we get agric ex ten sion workers when they go those places to go check to make sure say dem no dey use additives both for their feed. Apart from the chemical wey dey preserve am, e get wetin you go put for inside the chicken food. Under 2 weeks, chicken don big like you. You understand? But all those things, e dey cause disease for body. You understand? And according to the World Health projection, non-communicable disease e dey on the fast and increasing rise for Nigeria and Africa at large. So we dey try reduce all those things. So na only organically grown feed we dey use for our chicken. We no dey use additives, we no dey use preservatives. Na make our customers trust us to always dey come here every time.
So my people, wetin oyibo dey call value proposition, na im be that one. Wetin you get in turn when you patronize them. I be agro advocate.
Yes.
By the special grace of God, I study agriculture, economics, extension services.
Yeah, na people like una we need for.
From the prestigious University of Benin.
Oh.
And I advocate for young farmers to also come into the agricultural sphere. Me, I go on appeal since I hear you when you talk, say, now also get a chain when they draw other young people
Yes.
to come into the agricultural space.
Yes.
Me, I know, say, 8, 9 out of every 10 agricultural students want practice.
Yes.
Number 1. And then number 2, for my project research when I do for my final year, now the accessibility of young agricultural graduates to accessing loan
Yes.
or grants. Now I be the project topic when I do for school, and I know what my statistics give me,
Yes.
which now also hindrance. I would like appeal to our company, because this space you to know say only una know feed the Edo people.
True.
With a population of over 4.5 million people for Edo State. So I beg appeal, say in any way as soon as they assist young farmers, so when we get programs for students, at least penultimate students or final year students, when they graduate from University Faculty of Agriculture, to incorporate them, I would really appreciate it, so that we will get sustainable food, when Oyibo they call food security for our state. I don't know if you get any other words.
My brother, just to add to what you just talk now, you know, say for Nigeria, would they say graduates and unemployed? If you look at here now, you see say now we when get the place, now we they run the place. Not be say we never try to employ people. You understand? But now the seriousness of the people, you understand? The ingenuity, the creativity from the people to drive the business, to key into the vision of agric, that's their problem day. So if you say you get people when they're already ready can do internship program with us, may they learn the ropes, we are very welcome. We define those kind of people, may they come work with us, so that we go teach them all the value. As you teach that our farm big for there now, so from here now we go there, go check what they happen. Because we not get how to talk. We know our youth these days don't want work. They don't want work. You understand? They want chop money, they want spend money, but they don't want work for the money. So if you say you get people like they happy say you know agricultural extension worker. You understand? So if you say you get people when they university, when one learn this work, when one farm, when one do food security for the state, we are our office now here we know we come out here, we go employ them, we go teach them the work. They themselves, they go now then they inside school, and then they see the new ways and methods of doing this. They go bring their own information come meet us too. We everybody we go there happy. Now, now this one are one of our products.
This one, this one when you put up my eyes, so you know, can I go back to that freezer?
No,
fine, so.
you see, now part of the problem when they talk with this. If everybody welcome interview us, like carry one chicken go, you don't kill the business. No problem.
Before you scotch you everybody, before the eye go enter. Okay.
Yes.
So whatever you can see for yourself, well branded, and you can see it has a serene environment, which is very key. We like what you're supposed to just talk so, because we know how people take they grow their beds.
Yes.
Like what my oga talk. Before in 2 weeks, as they pump am, in 2 weeks. Even you to go, they look say, man, see this chicken, the way they big, now lie, no big. We get waiting there, do that chicken. But for years, so, this one, our own brother, when we say we trust, and we know say you don't date the field for a very long time. I beg, anywhere on a day, all around the world, we know say, in one way or the other, on a get family, no, even though say you did UK, you did Canada, you get family for Nigeria. You know one person when want to do wedding, you need to come here, patronize, call them. I put their phone number for this broadcast, so call them, they will come anywhere una dey. So when they do delivery,
We dey do delivery. Our boss just come out now go deliver to
Okay.
one restaurant from there. Over 60 bags now don't come out here this morning
okay,
already.
so imagine, so they do delivery. So anywhere una dey, they will fit come connect that. And also for end users,
Yes.
then you know say, you know one drive, come, no worry, call us. As you call this number, they'll come deliver am for anywhere.
Just to add, John, anybody when waka come, mention your name. Say now you through this video, you see and we will give am 10% discount.
When I will pay for talking about the bill, when I see what I don't enjoy, so.
Somebody don't ask you, say how much?
Okay, someone is asking a question. Someone just said, this is really nice and lovely. Another person got Stan Ekman. How much for that full chicken? Okay, this one. So.
Now, you know, say the business, we know they sell full chicken, and per kilo we take they sell chicken. Now, part of the things when they advocate for standardization of measurements in the country. For you go market now, they go they sell mudu. Oyibo man don't know wetin be mudu. Either would they sell in kilograms or would they sell in tons? Nothing like mudu. So for this one now, so now per kilo we dey sell am. We get scale. Once you come, we put am on top. So that I no go cheat you, you sef no go cheat me. You understand? So we dey sell based on how we take dey get am. We get for wholesale price when we dey sell to our major distributors when they buy a ton and above. We also get for people when they sell for the direct end users. Why we dey sell for the direct end users for high? Why we dey sell high for direct end users? Now because of say we dey try, we wan make our distributors make dem still make money. You understand? So make our end users go meet our distributors, make dem still make money. You understand? So if you come here direct, come meet us, so you wan buy from us, the money go high pass small than for person when they buy. Now it is called the cost of production. The money go high small than for person when they buy one. But for here we dey sell 1,650 per kilo. Waka round this whole Benin City. If you see anywhere when give you cheaper, come, I go refund your money.
Person just talk Luca Bello. The person say this is just Europe way. Say wetin they do for here so exactly wetin they do for Europe. I mean European standard. Another person, Desimondo Savaro, say great job. So sir, I believe say wetin they do so, wetin start small. One I don't know say we really appreciate. The whole number of us really appreciate. We want to encourage you now.
Thank you.
And make you continue.
Thank you.
And at the same time, the suggestion when you give, we know say our governor, they follow our broadcast in the aspect of the tariff for the power.
Yes.
And we know say it go also hear wetin una talk. Lastly, before I don't know, maybe Apostle there anything to say?
Yes, my people. I dey happy when I come here this morning. Make I go because that chicken will follow people out. Go. I dey hold your door land there. So, una see am, and I dey happy this morning. Now our own. We don't make up our mind. We will continue to promote our own. Now our person get am.
Yes.
Now do person.
Yes.
Now I get this place. Imagine say this person go carry money, take go build hotel, go build club. Where people come they dance, they do shayo. But I say no. Invest the money into agriculture so that everybody go fit get better food chop. And I don also ask question how they take the preserve am. And they tell me say nothing like formalin. No. Not say formalin. Now they cause cancer for body.
Yes.
The organ say they only use that for here. Say that direct from farm. As you take come, that's what they think they butcher them. And me I happy. Then to say my Edo people in diaspora and in Nigeria, make una come, make we patronize our own. You want to do marriage, you want to do patch, anything you want to come here, you go say and cheap. And me I thank God say this one, you don't already follow me go out. As it's there now, you don't enter outside the motor when I bring come. So make you come collect your own. Making Edo great now everybody handwork.
Yes.
And we thank God for what the governor Obaseki they do. We don't talk and say we'll continue to support governor, whether people like him or not. Because waiting me and see for here, light 24 hours, and I like that be business. And we thank God, and I appreciate God for the Edo man when he gets this place. Making Edo great, now everybody handwork. And they're very happy. My brother, you do well.
Thank you very much.
I appreciate
Thank you
you.
very much,
I
I
Apostle.
beg. Okay, quick question.
Please, how many kilo is that chicken when you're holding?
We'll go put on
We'll
scale.
put down for scale.
Oh, yeah, more go scale. Okay,
Yeah.
1.5.
So 1.5.
Augustine at 1.5. 2,000 naira for this one.
Yeah.
Yeah? Where to? 2? Okay, no problem. I'll bring more to come.
We get charcoal to do to the roaster more.
Charcoal dey to roast.
Yes.
We dey sell charcoal.
Oh, no boy. See, when I go show, I go carry this one follow me go out. You will never get the machine.
Yes.
Una see am, this one for barbecue. Una see am, talk am as e be. We dey talk am as e dey be. We no dey edit am. Una see am.
I know the smell.
Oh, you know the smell. Organo.
It's
Oh.
carbohydrate, carbon dioxide has been extracted.
Oh my God. So I don't need to go Oyibo land now.
No.
This is bringing Oyibo to Edo. Obaseki na Baba. Any question? Oga, I like the way you dey clean the place. So you dey disturb us. Oh yeah, come out. So that's where they be.
Yes.
Edo people, let's come together. Let us join hands together. And I'm happy for the owner of this place. Brother, Hold your
Someone is
chicken.
asking the address, please.
The address, make dem just come inside Edo Production Center. Now Edo Production Center dey along Saple Road for former, after Santana Market, for former Magistrate Court. Just enter inside. Tell them say you dey go Hilton Farms. In short, it is self-explanatory. As you enter inside, you go to see our signboard. You go to direct you until you reach where our cold room dey. E dey inside the same building with for Magistrate Court when dey Edo State for along Saple Road after Santana
Can you help us
Market.
with your call line?
Our phone number na 080 509 82051. Again, 080 509 82051.
All right, so just in case maybe you know hear that number where I pin the number day for this broadcast. The day for this, but just go scroll up, you'll see the number there. All right, so now do everybody for joining us on this broadcast. And I know say our major aim now to ensure say we make Edo State great. And on that note, we need ourselves to join our hands together to make Edo great. So, make I just no, the mic. Sorry, thank you.
Fine. See the chicken, see the meat, organo, see the chicken, man. Organ, even scoop everything there. Wonderful. I mean, when I come, when I hear they will make come. This one our own, man, our own, our own. We'll continue to support our own.
All right, someone just asked the question: do you people supply outside Edo State?
Yes, so anywhere for the country.
Supply as far as Enugu, we carry our products go there. For the southeastern part of Nigeria, as far as Kogi, we carry our products go there. So just tell us where you want more we supply and so we go carry and come give you for where you dey.
All right, thank you so very much. God bless everybody for tuning in on this.
Supply outside the Benin and try to buy for Benin different ways.
All right, and I'll do it when I take join us for this broadcast. God bless all of you now.
Abeg, help us share this video. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for dey hear all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. Make I leave you with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.